Yes, before we go to our tutorial today, I would like to take you previously and you see the trending hairstyle that were trending last month.
Yeah, it's Boris the hairstyle, the crochet master.
It's so light as a tango on the head, easy to maintain. You can hold the puff and move around so free. Yeah, so styleable, portable, ever available. I know you like hair, so come get the zipper curl, the zipper curl, the zipper curl.
This time around, of course, these people didn't pay me enough, but I'm going to show you how this looks like. This is how it looks, okay? This is how it looks, and we had to cut it into two, okay, to have this. So anyone who would want to know the name of this, you just go and comment that what's the name, of course. So now let's continue with our video, because this is going also to be very, very nicely. So let's continue. This is what I've been telling you. Of course, the cornrows are done and we're going to start doing the crochet. When we look at it, something that we need to focus on are the cornrows. Remember, I've been teaching you, telling you that the cornrows that you do always have to be equivalent to the crochet that you're going to add on someone. So now, if our extension looks like this and we're trying to do the crochet, of course, I'm not going to do small cornrows. The perfect cornrow is going to be like this, the way you are seeing. But what should we focus on again? It is also the finishing, because that is also very, very important. But this one of doing the crochet, this is very simple. We are doing it this way. And of course, I've showed you already the extension that I'm using. Anyone who wants to guess the name? Yes, it's okay. Write it there in the comment section. They haven't paid me, that's why I didn't show you. So after it all, let's continue. Let me try to forward it so that we reach at the main point, and I show you the thing that I will need you to know about this jumbo twist.
Liko loving, oyagala kola ka video shanane. Hey, you need some liko pampering. Omukono mukugo gumanyiche kukola. Kitakiwa crochet master, yakugu kamo viri kati master. Makeup uono genius, akukola kono nyuma. Jangu, ewa crochet master. Come on. Jangu. Together. Morris. Forgive me if I'm too bold, na on you me de kwe no kamala. Bakutonye kaviri, kulya kulaba kakwe gomba, ufananye African queenie. Manicure, pedicure, checho. Wali ewa we see the crochet master, body professional, movie and video bakugunyo. If you wanna look good, come and visit. Bakukola kaviri, no la vikanga queenie. All in it like expected, so good and fancy. Bakukola kaviri, no la vikanga mutini. All in it like expected, so good and elegant woman.
Yes, of course, we are doing the twisting, and the twisting is simple. It is either can be the clockwise or anti-clockwise according to how you're seeing the twist. But after it all, I always talk about the finishing. And here we go on the finishing. You're trying to see me doing the sewing. This one most of the times makes this thing to look more beautiful depending on someone's hairline. Okay, depending on someone's forehead, of course, because when you see it, it is very big, like very huge on someone. Let's say if it is just free like that, it is very big and flexible, so it means it may always overfall in her face. So what I do here is if I put the pins, they are not going to last for a long period of time. So what I do, I make sure that I sew there so that this is permanent. Not even like if she feels like maybe removing it, it is also very okay. But for the pins we cannot put them there. We just have to sew it there and then. So this is when I come back to you and I say the crochet, the cornrows for the crochet are supposed to be very straight. That's why you're seeing, like, if you try to see where I'm doing the sewing here, it shows how the cornrows are moving. But sometimes you find people doing the cornrows looking upwards, and now when they reach a certain point, they meet like this. So you're not going to have something like this, okay? And then after it all, I realized that this person, the things may be falling in her face, okay, all the time. So I make sure that I pin it there. Then sometimes others of those ones who do the wig, they freeze. But now for us in the crochet, we just use that small thread so that it freezes there. Even if she does this hair cannot fall in her face. So this is how you manage to have this. And the trimming, you can see how it looks very, very perfect. And then I would like someone to rate this, of course, from 1 to 100. What do you think about this hairstyle? Because for me, it is the most protective hairstyle that I can always recommend to those ones with fine hair. I mean, those ones with soft hair. But the finishing is very, very important, because the way you have been looking, the way it was, no one might think it would come out something like this. Okay, so I guess what, the final, we always have to make a touch up and see how our customer looks like with a simple makeup, and then you see the outcome. So if you have any question that you need to ask, just go right there in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this hairstyle, and of course, if you want it more, so that I can give you in all colors, and again all styles in puffy, fringe, and others. Okay, so let's go through and see our final look.
Ooh, 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 yeah. I don't know what they did, but you look so beautiful. Mubitabe byange wasomye, otunulanga Miss Independent. Your hair so perfect, looks like it was made straight out of heaven. Yeah, oli malaika from head to your toes. Bakukozeko oli kiso, eyo jovudde bamanyi kye bakola, bakole biriko hair by clippers. Yeah, hair by clippers, balling it like expected. Hair by clippers, yeah. Hair All in it like expected, neat like expected. Whoa, oh, oh, eh. Oh, na 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 na.
It's Boris the Hairstyles, the Crochet Master. Shit.
It's so light as a tango on the head. Easy to maintain. You can hold the puff and move around so free. Yeah.
So styleable, portable, ever available. I know you like hair, so come get the zipper curl, the zipper curl, the zipper curl.
It's so light as a tango on the head. Easy to maintain. You can hold the puff and move around so free. Yeah.
So styleable, portable, ever available. I know you like hair, so come get
Crochet Master. Need a little loving. Oh, you gotta call like a video, Shanane. Hey, you need some little pampering. Domuko no mukugo bumba niche kukora. Kitake wa crochet master. Yakugu kamo viri kati master. Make-up uono genius. Akukola kono nyuma. Jangu, wa crochet master. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Jangu, Jangu. Together. Crochet Master, Maurice.
Okay, so this is what I got for you when it comes to jumbo twists. May the Lord bless you all. My name is Maurice, the Crochet Master. Let me see you in my other next video. Bye bye.
It's Boris the Hairstyles, the Crochet Master. Shit.
It's so light as a tango on the head. Easy to maintain. You can hold the puff and move around so free. Yeah.
so styleable, portable, ever available.